Waiting for Jackie Kelvin Abobo. Oh, this is the yellow Soliscrit Tabel in the middle portion, Humble Pie, then followed by Unica Champ running by Gralis El Shuttle, then followed by 1,000 Years, Yay, Alscabe, Dr. Choice, and Mas Masaya. Sapinas is the early trailer Tabel by about 2 lengths. And in second, Unica Champ moving up by the 1,000 Years. Humble Pine Port, also this in fifth, El Shuttle, Yay, Alscadia, running by the Mas Masaya sa Pinas and Dr. Choice. Now we have 1,000 Years takes the lead by about 4 lengths. Tabel in second, Unica Champ in third, Humble Pine Port. Here comes Yay! Alscabe now in favor. Also the script El Shuttle, Mas Masaya sa Pinas and Dr. Choice. 1,000 Years by only a length. 1 second out the outside is Tabel. Unica Champ in third, Humble Pie. Yay! Alscabe then comes also the script. With 1,000 Years still the leader by about 2 lengths. Tabel remains in second, Humble Pie. Yay! Alscabe, Unica Champ also the script. With 1,000 Years, a long shot, still the leader by about 4 lengths. And in second, Tabel on the outside, Humble Pie. 1,000 Years, Tabel, Humble Pie. But it's still 1,000 Years over Tabel. And finally, 1,000 Years, Tabel, Humble Pie, also discreet, Unica Champ, Yay, Alscabe, El Shuttle, Mas Masaya sa Pinas, and Dr. Choice, counts in last.
Okay, Bayang Karvista, dito sa ating race number 6, another long shot na naman po ang nagpakitang ginas numero 1, 1,000 Years. Ating pambalikan ang ating replay dito sa ating race number 6.